emptying the bench, 11 na nga lang sila. Sa USC, ang dami ng substitution for them. There you go, no? Getting the confidence here.
So USC, we're also seeing a lot of their players being fielded in. Many of the star UE players lumipat kasi doon. We're not seeing them yet.
Yes.
Na Dongalio, Madriaga, and yun din ang kawalan ng UE Warriors.
Yes.
Hindi natin alam kung if the sets will matter, but USC has to have that mindset na parang they have to win as quickly as possible.
Oh, nice set.
And that was good. So Nop will get the winning point. Kanina pa naman talagang hinahanapan. Oportunidad itong si Nop magpakita ng gilas, and she wins that second set for her team. And we'll be back to talk more about it after the break.